What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to withdraw from Kraken to Wise. The first step is to navigate to your funding. So you need to log into your Kraken account, click the funding tab and select withdraw to view available fiat currencies and options. Step 2, select the currency and method. Choose your fiat currency and select the corresponding bank transfer method supported by Wise. Then next you'll need to enter your Wise bank details. Add the new withdrawal account. Enter your Wise recipient details including the IBAN, SWIFT or account numbers matching your Wise verification name. And then you'll need to review your withdrawal details. Make sure to specify the amount you wish to withdraw, review your transaction fees, processing times, and verify the final payout destination. Lastly, you want to authorize and complete. Verify that all routing and account information is correct and complete any required 2FA security prompts. Then of course you want to click on withdraw to submit your payout request.